Looks like we've got a few onions in greenhouse that are getting about ready to be harvested. And there's an easy way you know when your onions are almost ready. So I'll show you what that is. So these are those onions that we planted quite early in season, and we put them in greenhouse to see how they get on. And if you notice, they're all starting to bulb up now. And what happens with the onions when they're getting almost ready for harvest? The tops fall over like that. Well, basically lay themselves down. So no more energy is going into growing this stem. It folds over and then it puts its energy into swelling that bulb to make a good sized onion. So if this happens to your onions, don't worry, that's exactly what they're supposed to do. And then you just leave them, and what'll happen is the skins will start to go brown like that. And once all these have fallen over, in a few weeks time, maybe 2-3 weeks at tops, most of these onions will be turning brown, and then it's time to harvest them. I've also just dug this sunflower up out at greenhouse. It's gotten a bit too big, so it's starting to overcrowd other plants. And as you can see, it has got quite a size to it. So what I'll do is I'll bury it in garden outside instead. I spotted something in container garden as well this morning. We've got us first cauliflower growing. So that's really good. And those jack-o'-lantern miniature pumpkin plants have started to put on some new fresh growth now. We've also got some little petit pois peas that are not far off ready, but not quite. Those tomato plants that we put in that bath have finally started to put a bit of size on, and they're full of flowers. So we're going to have to put a stake or something in here to stop them falling over. And I found this container in garden. It has been used for something in the past, but at the moment it's empty. So I think we'll put that sunflower in here. And again, I'm topping this pot up with used compost. We'll just spread this around, firm that plant in. And now this plant gets a new lease of life inside this container. So just an hour or so in garden this morning, and we've got quite a few things done. We've had a couple of little mini harvests from those peas, but we still are so grateful to see them actually producing. Just being able to go into your garden and get a nice little harvest of petit pois peas is what it's all about. And we've got our first little cauliflower that's now starting to form. although the onions look like there's something wrong with them, that's a perfectly natural thing for onions to do. They fall over to cut off the energy to those long stems and then concentrate on swelling that bulb to make you a decent sized onion. If you want to see what else we do in the garden as we're going through summer, then please just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you on the next update. You all take care and have a nice weekend.